Series 18 Spin Master Monster Jam BROCAMINO. Here is the back of the card. BROCAMINO is in Arena Favorites. Let's go ahead and bring in the poster for this series. And it is a picture of Blue Thunder in action. The other trucks in this series is Dragonoid Arena Favorites. Then we have Gravedigger in Elemental Trucks. We have Blue Thunder in Max Contrast. Then down here we have the Higher Education in Arena Favorites. The Raw Crustacean in Arena Favorites. Then we have this Max D in Reckless Trucks. Also down here in the Showtime Trucks is the Megalodon. And then there's BROCAMINO, and the last one in this series in the rough crowd is Scooby-Doo. So let's go ahead, we're gonna unbox BROCAMINO and take a closer look. Here it is, BROCAMINO. It's very nice to have this finally in the Monster Jam series. There's the Monster Jam logo on the back panel of the truck up close with the name of the truck, BROCAMINO, and the Diesel Brothers show going on. Look at this front of the grill though. Wow, a lot of detail going on with that gray bar there, the headlights, the also the grill on the truck. Here we go with the guy, looks like he has a skull and also a hat and the beard going on, since the Diesel Brothers have those long beards. One of the things, well, I'll just turn it around here so you can see the other side of the truck back here. Let's go ahead, take this off, and on the tailgate it does say monsterjam.com. Very nicely done. One of the things that I do want to mention is that they left on this headlights on top, as you can see, and it also these bars that come down into the back and into the front of the vehicle, which they don't have on BROCAMINO. They just left that on. So just like in the Brodozer, there we go. It's a little bit different. I can see a little bit different setup there. So it's nice to have the two trucks now in the series with the Diesel Brothers. So thank you for tuning in to this unboxing.